Hey Animal Jam, it is Cotton Wolf 12 here. Sorry about that. I'm using QuickTime Player. And I was going to show you people my secret adventure base camp secret hideout. So you want to go towards where it says the hive, and there's like little phantom eyes, and these are stairs. And since my character is like a princess, I would go right about here and sit. And some people do come up if they see me, so yeah, you just want to go there and sit and act like you're some kind of crystal throne princess and stuff like that. So yeah, you can dance and do everything. So circle around in the crystals. Okay, anyway, this is my secret hideout. Find out how to draw a polar bear and much more in the newest book found in the Chamber of Knowledge. Read it today, okay? I just decided to read that out loud. But yeah, anyway, this is really cool that no one even knows about this. So, secret hideout at Adventure Base Camp on Animal Jam. Thanks for watching. My channel is Radio Girl XK. My Animal Jam user is CottonWolf12. And thank you for watching once more. Bye.